Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel, and today we're going to quickly go into my snap-on slip joint pliers and why I think these are a great set of pliers. So just some of the features that I love, some of the price on them, and where they differ from some of the other brands that I have and other pliers, slip joint pliers in general. So these are the snap-on 47 Alpha Charlie Foxtrots. I've had these roughly 4 years. They've been fantastic. These are going to run around $50. I got them when going to college once again. So I got with the student discount, they were just over $20. I want to say $22, something like that. So very affordable at the time. $50 is kind of pushing it, but then again, this is a good quality set of pliers, and I've definitely spent that on Knipex and some other brands as well. So a decent price, obviously getting up there in the higher price of pliers, but still priced fairly well. Now it's kind of hard to say that when you compare them to other ones where I have USA made Channellock here for probably $15 to $22, and then $15 for the USA made ones from Tekton. So Snap-on has done something kind of completely different. Like obviously slip joints all have their same design with the slip joint here, but Snap-on has went that extra step further with the 3 positions instead of the standard 2 position, and just how heavy duty these are built and the features that they have really puts it above a lot of my other pliers. So when you look at other slip joint pliers, you have your standard teeth up here, your open jaw portion here, and then a cutter right here at the base, which is a friction cutter, and then your standard 2 positions. And then with the Tekton, I do like its features, how it has 2 different size of open jaw portions here, and then your standard teeth up front, and then the standard 2 positions and the friction cutter at the base. So that's what you find in basically all of your slip joint pliers. Like I say, Snap-on has already went that one step further with the 3 positions for a lot of different size fasteners. You can get on some pretty big fasteners, and it works well. This 3 position combination with these teeth work very well. These are by far some of the deepest and sharpest open jaw teeth that I've ever seen on pliers, and they bite really well. So here's just kind of an overview of them. There you can see USA, the part number, all of that. The handles are fairly easy to clean. I just use some brake clean on a rag, kind of get into it. It is very porous. It's a grit style of grip, and this is considered their comfort grip, and that's something I really want to get into, is their comfort grip on these pliers. So normally when you get a comfort grip set of pliers, I don't normally get comfort grip pliers just because these are the only ones I have left that are comfort grip. They tend to be bulky, and I'm not using pliers so much that I believe that I really need a comfort grip like this, something thick and bulky, in order to make me feel more comfortable. I just don't think it's necessary. I think grips like these are just fine. But when you get into comfort grip pliers, what happens is you have a lot of material over here. The material of the actual pliers, or the metal of the actual pliers, don't always tend to go to the bottom of the comfort grip. So you have the possibility of breaking comfort grips like this. It takes up more room, and you're basically sacrificing some strength in the tool to get those comfort grips in a lot of brands, where Snap-on has really done it really smart. You have no sacrifice in strength in the tool here. What they've done is just enlarged or kept the metal material much larger here and created the same type of overmolding that you find on standard pliers on here. So the tool itself is the comfort grip with that grit style over top of it, creating a nice beefy comfort grip, but not sacrificing any strength. So a lot of thought was put into that. So you get it. This is good for all hand sizes, whether you got big old bear paws or little baby hands. It's comfortable no matter what. It's great. And I really like the comfort grip on these pliers. So you got the 3 positions, the great comfort grip, the biggest, sharpest teeth I've seen in an open jaw. Plus, not all slip joint pliers are going to have here you have standard straight teeth, and in a few pliers you will find cross hatching. Well, Snap-on has kind of went above, and what do they call this? Their talon grip, or I believe their talon grip, something like that. If I'm wrong about that, go ahead and leave a comment down below. But instead of just normal cross hatching, you have basically teeth in here. So let me go ahead and find a pair of cross hatch pliers. So here are some Channellocks lineman pliers that has cross hatching in the teeth. This is considered cross hatching. So it's good to grab fasteners and wires and everything from multiple different directions instead of just straight on. But you can see where their talon grip or their cross hatching is much different. You have more teeth than anything. You can kind of still see how it's straight lines or diagonal lines, but you can see how different that tooth style is and how well you could bite with something like that if you just look at the teeth on those. So they're extremely heavy duty, very, very well built set of pliers. So for that $20 to $50 price range, I do believe it's a great set of pliers. And even though I still do love my other USA made slip joints, I think Snap-on really killed it with the engineering on these. And I do actually believe recently, last year, they released a new flank drive set of these where it basically replaces these. Justin Dow did a video on these compared to Snap-on's new flank drive slip joint pliers, where they have replaced these open jaw teeth with basically an angled portion to grab fasteners. This is basically what you're going to see in that flank drive. Instead of, this is a little bit different from that, but you get the idea, where you have this cutout shape instead of your standard teeth, which allows you to grab fasteners. So if you're grabbing a lot of fasteners or holding a lot of fasteners, the flank drive version of these might be better for you. But I really, really dig these teeth. I feel like this is a great set of pliers. It's just really up to you to decide what design you would use more often. But that's my thoughts on these Snap-on slip joint pliers. Let me know your guys' thoughts if you use these or what pair you use most often, and I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please make sure to smash that thumbs up. Leave a comment down in the comment section once again of your guys' thoughts, and as always, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. I'll see you guys next time.